Hello, everyone. Dr. Tony Scuderi here. Welcome to class at InterCoast College. This is going to be a very, very quick, instructive Zoom presentation. Reminder, okay? Um, I want to share the screen with you because a lot of students do not remember to do this, and some of your grades are not very good because of this. And sometimes, especially when it comes to writing a paper for me, I get on the fifth week, which is intolerable. Geez, how do I do this? So let me share the screen with you and let me show you where to go. Okay. This is a course, a regular course that anybody would have. As you scroll down, this is called your dashboard. As you scroll down, you'll see faculty information. Here's my information right here. Okay. Below that, if you have anything computer-wise that gets messed up, Cengage or any other program, I can't help you with that. This is the person that you contact with any type of computer program that you have a problem with. Uploading, you don't know how to upload it. Cengage isn't opening for you. You go to Ash, okay? But CC me in the email that you sent to her. So that way I know that you talked to her, okay? The number one. Underneath Ash, you have your student affairs a contact person. This class, it's Vanessa. You may have a Marlene, in your class, right? Those are usually the two that I deal with. Come to me first before you go to them, okay? Come to me first before you go to them. And just go to my contact information and write me over here or call me at this number, but come to me first, all right? If there's a problem, if you can't get to me, then you go to her. Let's save some time because what happens is you write to her and then she writes to me and then I got to find out who you are and then I've got to write to you. It's too long. Okay. Come to me first and then go to her. All right. If it's an administrative thing that you're not sure of, what do I do with, the tuition or something like that? And then you go to her because I don't know anything about that. Right. But if it comes for anything, assignments, you're going to be late to doing your assignment, or can you get an extension? She doesn't have that information. I do. Come to me first with that question. Okay. Concerning your assignments, all right, they are to be done on time. Right? If I don't see anything for 5 weeks and all of a sudden week five, you're going to sit there and say, "Can I get an extension?" My answer is going to be no. And then I will refer you to the department chair. Now, if he overrides the no and sits there and says, "Yeah," then he's going to give me parameters for me to govern so that you can get your work done. But if during the course of your work you're totally lost, you don't know what to do, you're frightened, you're ready to give up, don't give up. Contact me ASAP. Right now for the important thing. As you scroll down, right, from your student affairs contact person. You got general course resources, read that, and then you've got your research library, Eric. Okay. Now this is what I want you to look at. InterCoast College School Catalog, Course and Syllabus Acknowledgement. Syllabus, syllabus acknowledgement quiz, and then you've got your plagiarism policy. All of these you are to click and you are to open up. So I click on syllabus acknowledgement. There's a little quiz. It says attempt quiz now. You open it up, and there's a couple questions over here for you to answer. Okay. You answer it. You come all the way down to the bottom. You're done. You hit finish attempt, and you submit the quiz. Okay. That's number one. That gets scored. If you fail it, you can do it again. That gets scored. That's part of your grade. Do not leave that blank. The other thing is the plagiarism policy. It's the same thing. What is plagiarism, type plagiarism, preventing plagiarism, and on one of these, there's something that says that you signed off on it. That's important too. So if you get an email from me that says, forgot to sign off on your syllabus and plagiarism policy, there's no need to ask me, what do you mean by that? It's right here. Okay. Last thing is this most important thing right here, announcements. 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 Okay, I said that 3 times. It's extremely important. Before you do anything, This is right above your first week. Before you do anything, you open this up. Because as you open up the announcements, you're going to see a whole bunch of stuff from me. Okay? You're going to see Don't Panic, Be Happy, a Zoom video, Zoom into class, how to lay out an APA paper. This is the question that a lot of you have. What's that? What's an APA paper? This will tell you how to write a paper APA style. This will tell you also something a little bit different. Every time you write me an email, this is how you write me an email. Very important that you follow these. Every student needs an NPI number. Get an NPI number, or else when you go for your internship, you're going to have some problems because they're not going to be able to bill, and you're going to have a hard time there. Okay, and then a little thing on Meet the Prof. Now, in some of the other courses that I have, there's another what do you call it? Another announcement that I have in some of the courses, and I'm going to start to put this in the rest of them. It's hacker sample of an APA research paper template, an example of how I want a paper done. These two are extremely important. I'm going to put these in uh, all of the dashboards. But please go to the announcements. I'm going to say that for the last time. Go to the announcements, and when you go to the announcements, please, 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 look at them, open them, listen to them, and if you've got any questions before you start week one, get back to me immediately. Okay, that's all I have for now. But please pay attention to this. I am putting this in your week one. What do you call it? The forum, your week one forum. I want you all to at the end of this, just sit there and say, I saw this or I acknowledge this. The reason why I'm putting it there is because too many people don't go to their announcements. Okay. Thank you. I'm looking forward to a great class with you. Take care and bye for now.